Hey everyone, today I will show you how to make payment through Flywire. First of all, go to flywire.com or open the Flywire app. Click on the pay section, then enter the name of your institution or choose from the list provided. Next, enter your payment details including your student ID or reference number and specify the amount you are paying. Double check these details to avoid any errors. Flyer will show you available payment option based on your location. This could include bank transfers, um, credit cards, or other methods. Choose the option that works best for you. After selecting a payment method, review the details carefully. Confirm the currency and total amount, then hit next to proceed. Flyer will provide instructions for your payment method for a bank transfer. For example, they will share the amount details and reference information. Follow these steps to complete the transfer. Once Flywire receives your payment, you will get a confirmation email. You can track the payments process in your Flywire account for extra peace of mind.